Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Chirag Pandit, and in this video I'm going to explain you guys about what is Oracle Applications Testing Suite and what are its software components, how would you install this piece of software, and where would you use it. So to start with, consider this: you have created a web application in which there are several different modules. To start with, there is a order processing module, and a customer comes in, logs in, and he does some actions, and you want to automate this piece of software and you want to test this. So you can do it in Selenium, or you can do it in HP Quick Test Professional also, or commonly known as unified functional testing. So you can do it in these many applications. There are several different applications to cover up with automation. But when it comes to an Oracle e-business suite, in general, what it takes is it has several different applets, and it has forms, Oracle forms to cover up with. So in that case, the preferred option to go with is something called as an Openscript. So in this particular applet, if we see here, if you want to capture all these text boxes values, and you want to validate these, and you want to test all these values which are present on the form, you'd use something called as an Openscript. So what are the objects which are recognized from Openscript is you can record and playback web HTML. You can also have Oracle forms, Oracle Siebel CRM, JD Edwards. So overall, what it can do is you can do a test automation using this tool. You can also do a load test, and you can also perform a web services automation with using this tool. So just to give you a quick components overview, what it has is it has Openscript at the first top level where you will be scripting out. It also has a test manager, Oracle Test Manager. It is something closely related to HPQC. You have your Oracle load testing. To compare it can be compared with HP Performance Center. In these two web applications are covered up in your Oracle WebLogic, and last but not the least, it has your Oracle XE database, in which every different modules has the information. To start with, where would you download this piece of software is just go to google.com and start typing out Oracle Openscript download. Click on the first link, what you get. That will take you to the Oracle's website, and you just accept the license terms and you download either 32-bit or 64-bit. I have already downloaded those files. So what you do is, once these files are downloaded, you right click those and you extract here. So once extracted, what you do is you right click the setup.bat, you run as an administrator, and it will open up a wizard in which pretty much what you do is you just right click next a couple of times, and later on you will get installed. But what I'm trying to do here is I'll try to do a custom install, wherein for people who just need Openscript, can do an Openscript. For people who need OLT and OTM, can do the following steps. So if you just need the Openscript part of it, you'll do a custom and you click on next. As of now, I'm not installing an OLT, so I just uncheck the remaining Oracle Application Testing Suite server components. I'll just install Openscript and the agent of the Openscript. So it's already installing. So I'll click next. This is the place where you would like to install your files. Hit next. Give it a password. This would be your master password. Hit next and you click on install. So pretty much this would cover up your Oracle Openscript and your Oracle agent. So if you see, our Openscript installation is successful. And just a quick note, before doing this process of installation, you close every different browser, be it an IE or Mozilla or every different browser, just because it will install those additional plugins. So on a quick note, what you do is, just to test it out whether it is installed, you go to O if you are on a Windows 10 machine, or it will create an entry in Oracle Applications Testing Suite, and click on Openscript. So if you see the screen, you have successfully installed Openscript. Congratulations on that. In the next video, what I'll try to cover up is how would you install an Oracle load testing, Oracle Test Manager, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching in.